And here I have Steve Madden girls shoes. These are unisex child. This is J Thrilled, the slide sandal in rhinestones, and this is the tie-dye selection, but super sparkly, and they have like a tie-dye sole, Steve Madden logo right there, and then the rhinestones that really sparkle like a rainbow. All right, you want to try these on and show me what they look like? There we go. Okay, walk. Can you spin? Spin around. There we go. Okay, so they look super cute. And let's see what the bottom looks like. It has a white bottom. Has a white bottom. And are they comfortable? Do you like them? Yeah, you like them? Okay. So anyway, this is the tie-dye series, the tie-dye color. Unisex girls shoes from Steve Madden. Very cute and highly recommend.